Have you ever considered how the quality of our relationships can shape our lives? Relationships, connections, bonds, these aren't just words. They're the threads that weave the fabric of our lives. They're the bridges that connect us to one another, strengthening our communities and fostering a sense of unity and togetherness. In times of conflict, these bonds remind us of our shared humanity and help us seek resolution. The importance of maintaining good relationships and avoiding conflict is a universal truth, one that transcends cultures and religions. In Islam, for example, this principle is beautifully encapsulated in the Quran, verse 49:10. The believers are but brothers, so make settlement between your brothers, and fear Allah that you may receive mercy. Thus, Islam emphasizes the importance of unity and harmony among people. Yet, how often do we find ourselves in conflict, even with those closest to us? It's a question that echoes in the hallways of our lives, leaving a trail of unease and discomfort. In the vast expanse of Islamic teachings, there's a strong emphasis on avoiding conflict. There's a beautiful hadith, a saying of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, that guides us. It is not lawful for a Muslim to desert his brother beyond 3 nights, the one turning one way and the other turning to the other way when they meet. The better of the two is one who is the first to greet the other. This highlights the importance of reconciliation, of reaching out, of mending bridges. So, in the light of Islamic teachings, maintaining relationships and avoiding conflict is not just a social necessity, but a path to divine mercy. So, what have we learned today? We've discovered the profound value of unity and the importance of nurturing our relationships. We've also understood how crucial it is to avoid conflict, as guided by the teachings of Islam. These principles don't just benefit us on a personal level, they ripple out to enrich our communities, creating a tapestry of mutual respect and tranquility. Remember, a community united in harmony and peace reflects the true spirit of Islam. May we all strive to live by these teachings and build stronger, more peaceful relationships.